Roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be reacting to a video by Cut. This video is called "Singles Reject Each Other with the Press of a Button." I watch these button videos, but I haven't seen this one, so we're gonna watch it together. Let's get right into this video.
Okay, I have a joke. How much does a roof cost?
How much does it cost?
Nothing. It's on the house.
And you rejected him because he ain't laugh? I know that ain't why.
Either player may press it.
Because that wasn't funny.
Date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If two people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid second date.
This episode was made in partnership with Native. Native has supplied their new deodorant and body wash that has naughty and nice scents. Will our hopeful singles
Okay.
match with someone who's naughty or nice? Let's find out.
Okay. Y'all go get some Native.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
I'm Seth.
I'm Alex.
Alex, great
Nice
to meet you.
What do you do for work?
Mechanical engineer.
Okay, my sister's a civil engineer.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
Are you really good at math?
No.
Can you give her 3 compliments?
3 compliments. I love your hair
Thanks.
and your glasses.
Thanks.
And, yeah, I like how you're matching. You got the purple, the blue.
Thank you.
Looks like you just got back from the When We Were Young festival. Fair enough.
Why did you reject him?
I feel like his compliments were based just on my physical appearance.
Well, to be fair, you haven't taught that.
Ain't
So
he?
fair button, thank you.
Great to meet you, Alex. Good luck.
Like he just sat down.
That's okay, but I'm like geeking that you just said my name. It's like very exciting.
Do you have a crush on me?
A little tea. I'm Alex.
How you doing, Alex?
Nice to meet you.
Oh, no, he gotta go. He gotta go. What up, Alex?
I'm just a fan of the button. I'm just a big fan.
Why are you a fan of the button, though?
You jealous, Ken?
I mean, I ain't really the jealous type. Like, I don't be in my feelings like that. I know what I'm worth and what I look like.
No offense.
Nah.
Why did you hit me?
I think
Nah.
I'm realizing I'm really looking for somebody who's like personality and someone's who they are on the
He wouldn't
inside,
eat.
you know?
He wouldn't eat sis.
Nice to meet you. My name is Blanco.
Nice to meet you. I'm Alex.
Daddy, man,
So
sure.
what do you do?
Well, I'm a personal trainer. I like to work out. What do you do?
I work in board game development.
Bunko, do you play board games?
Actually, I do.
Yeah? What board games do you like to play?
It's like a Bulgarian ones.
What's the name of the game?
Shushka.
Oh, okay, very cool.
It's Bulgarian,
Yeah, very cool. Are you from Bulgaria?
Yeah, I'm from Bulgaria.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's
Ooh, he did
alright.
that fast as hell.
Because, just not my type. I'm sorry.
He know why, because she
What are you looking
big,
for?
Someone that's, likes to work out.
fit
and
like
likes to
you.
have fun. You like to work out?
I do.
What kind of exercises do you like to work out the most?
I do like high intensity, like interval.
Weightlifting?
Sometimes.
I hope y'all don't hear that driving outside, but y'all probably do. I'm
Tell
sorry.
him what.
I don't feel a physical connection.
Okay.
Them little ass shorts, he got them right out his sister closet, like for real.
Do you need some deodorant?
No, I actually put them on.
Naughty or nice?
Definitely naughty.
Ari,
I'm Lana. Nice
nice to meet you. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
I read a lot.
Nice. What's your favorite book right now?
I just actually got done reading like a business leader book.
I think he beat you.
Yeah, he did that before she did
It's all
it.
good. Thank you.
Hi.
I like her tattoos.
I'm Ari.
Hola, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I really like your name.
Oh, thank you. What is your full name?
Well, my full name is
She's pretty.
Aditya.
Aditya? No, sorry.
No, you got it right. Say it again.
Aditya?
Yeah, that was good.
Okay. My name is Simple. Paula.
I'm sorry.
Why'd you push the button on me?
This is not my type. But I really like your name, though. I love the
That's
name.
okay. Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. I'm Ari.
I'm Monica. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You have really pretty eyes.
Thank you.
What's your type?
Do you have a type?
Yeah, I like girls who are like funny.
Okay.
I like to laugh a lot, so I like to make people laugh.
Make him laugh.
Make him laugh. Okay, I have a joke. How much does a roof cost?
How much does it cost?
Nothing. It's on the house.
No way she thought that was funny.
Yeah.
I get it.
Well,
And then gonna reject her, reject him.
where are your next date is
He should have
coming in?
rejected you for that.
Hi, who are you?
Good, how
That
are you?
nigga said make him laugh, girl.
I'm Monica. What's your name?
I'm John. So what do you do for work?
I'm a barista barista and I teach like performing arts classes for high school students.
Well, that's cool. I'm also a teacher.
Yeah, what do you teach?
I'm a preschool teacher. So I teach kids who are between the ages of 3 and 6. Right now I'm an assistant, but I'm working towards becoming a lead teacher at some point.
Cool.
Monica plays the guitar.
That nigga took
You
an
do?
Adderall
That's
for he
super
came.
cool.
Thanks.
Do you ever perform anywhere?
Not really right now. Mainly just like for myself and like my friends and stuff, just for fun. But what are you looking for in a relationship?
So I'm looking for something long term. I don't want to just date someone for a couple of days and then just be done with each
So
other.
something like serious?
Yeah.
Do you want to like get married and stuff?
Eventually, yes. But of course, it would be the case where we get to know each other first.
Yeah, I feel that.
Not ready
That was
anymore.
weird. It was red and then it wasn't. Oh, okay. That's okay. I
Oh,
just don't really
weak.
like anything serious.
Okay.
Kind of my...
Well, nice to meet you, though. You seem great.
Thank you. It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
Have
too.
fun.
Can I ask what you do for work?
I'm a bartender.
You are.
What do you do?
I'm a preschool teacher. Yeah.
Jackie, do you get naughty or nice vibes from John?
John is giving really nice vibes.
Well, that's good to hear.
Do you have a little bit of a bad side?
I'm gonna say no.
He
I
don't
don't think
look
it's something
like it.
interesting to say. I guess you could say,
No.
okay.
He just seems a little nervous. I'm sorry.
He is.
Nice to meet you,
Okay, nice
John.
to
Yeah.
meet you, too.
He was really nervous.
He really was. I feel
Do you do that to men, Jackie?
maybe a little. I'm Jackie.
Calvin.
Calvin, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. Tell me about you.
I was a dance and psychology major, and now I take classes every once in a while. I have a job where I get to dance and serve at the same time.
Can you dance, Calvin?
I do dance, yes.
What kind of dance you do?
I took private bachata lessons.
Bachata? I took a couple of bachata classes.
Oh, wow.
You two should dance together right now.
Right now?
Bachata, bachata, bachata. That was adorable.
You're adorable, too.
The button or me?
Both of you.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Coming in with the smoothness.
Do you want to hold hands?
Sure.
Do you like each other's smell? Smell each other.
Okay. I like that.
Do you think you chose a naughty or a nice scent?
I think you chose a naughty scent. You chose nice.
Yes.
Candy cane.
Might have been that, yeah.
Are you sweet like a candy cane?
I am.
You two are really cute. Is this gonna happen?
Why not?
I'm open to it.
I'm open to it. Yeah. Let's go on a second date.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna light up red one last time. If you don't hit me, you win the button. Congratulations! You two have won the button. So, we have a gift from Native. We're gonna give you some products to take home and try.
This is the one I use.
I used them on my hands.
I did too, yeah.
Which one are you gonna take home? Which one do you like?
I will take fresh mistletoe home.
Mistletoe. Put it above your head. And
Oh, you think you're
The
getting
button be
somewhere, button.
messy as hell.
Okay. Should I hold it up?
Look at him just, let's do it, let's do it. I'm with it.
that was so sweet. Experience naughty and nice holiday scents by
Hey, he got a little reels going on.
to shop all of their favorite scents.
Alright, y'all go shop at Native. That was a cool video though. I think they, good. They cool or whatever. I wish they did updates on these videos, but y'all let me know what else y'all want me to react to, and I react to it. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe for me. I would greatly appreciate it. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace out.
Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty.